guys, welcome back to Karah's Beauty Bar. Today we are unboxing some Mary Kay products. This is the 2024 fall/holiday release. So let's get started. So if you did not know, Mary Kay decided instead of coming out 5 times a year with products, they're only going to do 4. So the fall and the holiday products come out together now. So that's why I keep saying fall/holiday, because that's what they did. So I'm gonna unbox this for y'all. This thing is full. Now I did have other things I had to order to replenish some stuff, so I'm just gonna take those out of here. Yeah, like some exfoliating scrubs. Lots of those things. Let me dig. I got some shampoos. What is this? Oh, I found something. Okay, so these are, hold on, let me get a lookbook out so I can tell you pricing. All right, lookbooks. So if you didn't get a lookbook and you want one, let me know. I could send you one. There's also a link for online if you just want to shop online. All right, so these things. This is the new limited edition Mary Kay men's hair and body wash gift set. So these are $28 for the set. And so they can go in the shower. They're 2-in-1 hair and body. They changed the scents this time. So I have one left of the other one from a couple years ago. But this one is the high intensity and the high intensity sport. So we do have colognes that are those scents. So if you want to mix it with a cologne, we can do that. Usually for the holidays, I separate them and I put them in little boxes. And then you can always put them with a cologne as well. So $28 for the set. Okay, these things. So Belara perfume and lotion set, or just the lotion, or just the perfume as well, but that's not a limited edition thing. I found the goodie bag. The goodie bag has all of the small stuff, which I believe is where most of the thing is. These things. Oh, look at the container. They're so cute. Look, they're like green for the holidays. Oh, there's this one too. Oh, they have the different colors in the different... Okay, so I'm always like, which color is this? And I'm like, but then they put them in different boxes now. I'm very happy with that because I'm constantly like, what color is this? Okay, so we have, this one is Sand Dune, so it's in the sand looking box because it looks like this. Let me see if I can open it. So these are the liquid eyeshadows for $16. So we've got this one. This is a good base color or neutral color. So if you're going for the no makeup look, this is a good color for that. Or if you need a base color before, like a transition color. This one is Warm Desert. So this is more pigmented towards a pink. Ooh, this is darker than I thought it was gonna be. So this one is a good pink color. So again, more romantic look. If you're going for that. Now, everyone's like, ooh, the In the Trees. So this is the green. So if you're going for more of a bold look, and I could do a look if you want using these. I can't get them open. Look at, that's In the Trees. So a very bright, bold green. So those are the liquid eyeshadows. Yeah, so I have a lot of those. I bought extra because I wanted to use them. And I think those are the limited edition stuff, but they also brought out 5 new lipsticks. So let me pull those out. So many of them. Here's one. Okay, so we have, this one's probably gonna be a season favorite, actually. This is the Black Cherry. Ooh, that is gonna be my color. The Black Cherry. And then we have, let's see what else we have. We have Mauve Crush, probably gonna be a more nude color. Oh, that's a nice color. So that's more mauve. And then we have Hushed Blush. So this is gonna be on the more pinkish nude color. And then we have Toasted Plum. Oh, I'm excited about that one. I think there's another one I'm like, can't find. Toasted Plum is a darker color, but not as dark as the Black Cherry. So if you're going like more on the darker side, but you don't want to go like Black Cherry, there's that one. There's one more. Oh, here we go. Natural. That is a very basic name. So this is on the pink side of nude. So it's not brown, it's more pink. So this is a nude color, but like on the pink side. And it's called Natural. So those are the new lipsticks. And I have samples of them, so if you want a sample of the lipsticks, let me know. And I think that is all the new stuff. Everything else is just regular, boring on the full line thing. So I'm not gonna bore you with that, but yeah, so we've got, what do we got? We got the men's hair and body, wash, and then we've got the perfume and lotion set, or just the lotion. And then we have the, what's it called? Liquid eyeshadows in 3 colors. Very excited about that. I'll do a look if you want. And then we have the new lipsticks. So all these lipsticks, and that's it. That's all I have right now. That was my unboxing. Oh, if you want to do the makeup masterclass, it is a week-long class. So I'll do a video every day of the week, and you can watch it whenever. You have lifetime access, so if you don't get to it that week, that's fine. And it's only $30, and you get to see all of the new stuff that comes in every time I run the class. So go check that out. The registration is open, and we're gonna start it, I think the week is October 7th is that week that I'm gonna be live in the group doing that. So yeah, so go register for that, invite your friends. You can invite it to anyone, because it's literally a basic makeup class, so if you don't know anything about makeup, you'll learn stuff. If you do know stuff about makeup, there's a fuzz. If you do know stuff about makeup, there will be some extra tips and tricks and stuff like that. And you can like start with the basics and then work your way up. I have like an extra day of like a smoky eye. So like there's stuff for everyone, no matter how advanced you are at makeup. So go check that out. So that's all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.